really funny when they're first taking off. You'll actually see them go ahead and they kind of run on the water as they're gaining speed to be able to get up off of the water and fly. But they can fly really fast. I've been on the snorkel boats, and on those snorkel boats, you know, we're probably typically going, I would guess, maybe about 35 to 40 miles per hour. And there are times where the bird literally is just keeping pace with us. Sometimes it's going a little bit faster. So they are definitely good flyers as well. And so apparently, and his project Biscayne would have been where this entire bay would have become the largest international shipping port on the East Coast. His plan was to include a refinery with that, and luckily that project got shut down due to a variety of folks really coming together to fight against it. Originally, Miami, like everybody, was all about the Biscayne project. They thought it was going to bring in just a ton of money, lots of jobs, but they really did dirt on Daniel Ludwig. And she finds out that he had actually went ahead and had some oil refineries in the Bahamas that had terrible oil spills, and he refused to clean them up. And so she used that as kind of fuel for the fire. And in order to get approval, she went right over her supervisor's.
We'll have geese in here.
times, if you look at the way that the wind is pushing up against the sail,
Yep.
you release the side that you're not going to actually be using. So right now, I've just got the whole line completely undried, and I'm just kind of sitting it off to the side. And it will start pulling some of this time. But more importantly, I'll be using this area here with the winch to be able to pull that sail out. And keep a little bit of tension on the free line while you untie it so it doesn't completely. And because what I'll do is when I'm pulling, as I gradually pull on this line, it's going to gradually pull that line forward.
Okay.